Hello everyone, today we are going to crochet. This yellow little kit, it has an adorable shape and the crocheting method is very simple. The tail here is added with a stiffening wire, so you can shape it freely. Alright, let's take out the yellow yarn and follow the instructions to crochet together. The head and body of this cat are crocheted as one piece, starting from the head. Crocheting from the top of the head downwards. Let's take a look. We take out the yellow yarn. First, make a magic ring. Let's see the method of making a magic ring. First, hold the yarn with the right hand. Then stretch out the left hand. Wrap it around the little finger of the left hand once. Pick up the yarn with the index finger of the left hand. Then wrap it around the middle two fingers once. Hold the crossing point of the yarn with the thumb. Use a 2.0 mm crochet hook. We pass through this loop, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over the hook, pass through this loop. This is a chain stitch. After securing the chain stitch, this magic ring is set up. Next, we work 8 single crochets as seen in this ring. Chain stitch is represented by the letter CH. Single crochet is represented by SC. 8 single crochets are 8 SC. And SL is the slip stitch. These are all explained here. You can take a look. So after the first round, there are 8 stitches. Let's demonstrate the method of single crochet. Insert the hook into this loop. Yarn over and pull through. At this point, there are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook, pull through both loops at once. This is a single crochet. For beginner sisters, mark the first single crochet. The stitch of a single crochet is like this. 2 threads form a complete stitch. Okay, then work 7 more single crochets in the ring. I'll crochet slowly, so you can see more clearly. Alright, let's see it again. Insert the hook into this loop. The hook presses down on this yarn and pulls through. Okay, yarn over the hook, pull through both loops at once. This is the method of single crochet. We have 5 more. Everyone, work these 5 single crochets. Look at the diagram in the instructions. While crocheting, refer to the diagram to help you understand. Understand this instruction manual. The first round is a total of 8 single crochets. That is represented by 8 SC. One last one. Let's take a look. Pull this loop tight. 8 single crochets correspond to 8 stitches. Like this, 2 threads form a small V shape, which is a single crochet stitch. Every time we crochet, we go through its stitch. Now let's move on to the second one here. Look, 8 single crochets correspond to 8 stitches. Okay, after crocheting 8 single crochets, we find this short yarn end. Pull it tight forcefully. Pull until there is no gap in the middle. The first round is done. Next, we need to work a slip stitch. Slip stitch is to insert into the stitched marker stitch. Take a look. This is the first stage of the first round. Let's demonstrate the slip stitch. Insert into this stitch yarn over. Pull through directly, pull through to the back loop. Pull tight. This is a slip stitch. The first round is complete. Now let's look at the second round. The second round starts with a chain stitch. Let's see the chain stitch. Yarn over the hook and pass through this loop. This is the method of chain stitch. So the first chain stitch of the second round does not count as a stitch. Next, let's look at the second round. The second round is to work 8 increases. Then slip stitch. After the second round, there are 16 stitches. Let's see this increase. An increase is explained as 2 single crochets from the same stitch. That is, we work 2 single crochets in this first stitch. Let's take a look. Insert into the same stitch where we just did the slip stitch. This is the first stitch. In the first stitch, we need to work 2 single crochets. Okay, this is the first single crochet. We mark it with a stitch marker. Then insert again into the same position. Work another single crochet. This is a set of increases, so increase is represented by the letter INC. 8 increases are 8 INC. Next, let's work the second set. Insert into the second stitch. Similarly, work 2 single crochets. So if you learn to crochet single crochets in the first round, the increases in the second round use the same method. Therefore, the crocheting method is still very simple. Okay? Continue to work the third set. Okay, the second round is done. After the second round, there are a total of 16 stitches. Let's count. There are 16 stitches like this. After the second round, similarly connect to the first stage of the second round. Work a slip stitch. This is the stitch marked earlier. Let's look again, the method of slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through directly, pull through to the back loop. This is the slip stitch method. Here, for the crocheting body part of the kitten, a slip stitch is needed for each round. That is, the last stitch and first stitch are connected with a slip stitch. This forms a circle. Okay, after the slip stitch is done, let's look at the third round. The third round starts with a chain stitch. Similarly, this chain stitch does not count as a stitch. After the chain stitch, we work a single crochet, an increase. The asterisk represents repetition. Repeat crocheting 8 times. Then a slip stitch. After the third round, there are 24 stitches. Let's demonstrate. In the first stitch, work a single crochet. Mark it with a stitch marker. Okay, the first single crochet is done. Next, in the next stitch, that is, the second stitch, work an increase. Like this, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. This is a combination. We repeat crocheting 8 of these combinations to finish the third round. After the third round, we get 24 stitches. Work the second set. First work a single crochet. Next stitch is an increase. Beginner sisters, crochet slowly. If you already have some foundation, crochet along with the video. Okay, the third round is done. Find the first stitch. Work a slip stitch. Next is the fourth round. The fourth round starts with a chain stitch. Then a single crochet, an increase, a single crochet. Remember, this is a combination of 3 stitches. Repeat crocheting 8 times. Slip stitch. After the fourth round, we get 32 stitches. First, a chain stitch. This chain stitch does not count as a stitch. Next, work a single crochet. In the first stitch, work a single crochet. Mark it, first stitch. Okay, second stitch is an increase. Third stitch is a single crochet. Such a combination of 3 stitches occupies 4 stitches in total. Then repeat 8 times. After the fourth round, there are 32 stitches. Okay, let's work the second set. The second set starts with a single crochet. Next is an increase. Next stitch is a single crochet. Okay, let's see. It's such a combination. This 3-stage combination is the second set. In fact, it's not hard to see. The pattern is that after every 2 stitches, there is an increase. Now let's work the third set. Similarly, a single crochet. Next stage, increase. Next stage, single crochet. Now you can see the pattern. It's increasing one stage after every 2 stitches. Let's finish the 4th round.